Why should they hold?
Number one, first of all, we don't have any internal language. When you look around, throughout Nigeria, I can tell you that English people in Osun, we are number one, we are family, everything is going well, so there's no internal language in PDP. Because I perform very well, I mean, I use what they call fact check. We are going to fact check this culture and see what is going on there. Then the technology era, I just Google it and check it out. You know that they are doing very well.
And then also other parts.
I'm so glad if I can defeat the incumbent. And now that I've become governor, we didn't get some presidency. What we have achieved in less than 2 years. I'm so confident that nobody can become.
Now, what do you think people should expect from you this time?
Good is all the way. More good is all the way throughout. Do the dance and do the work.
I know that the ruling party hasn't. They do have interest.
Of course.
And we don't know, go by the record, what the election in Nigeria is. We cannot wave aside the federal man.
Yes.
They control the security, they control the government. They don't have any fear.
I cannot fear. I'm too popular. Anywhere I go, don't you know? Yeah. Everybody say Imole. Anywhere I go throughout this country, if APC have some friends in the APC, another party, they just take APC as Adeleke studies. Anytime they have a party or have something, I will go there, I will take over. They all love me. So, I mean, you see, if you're not performing, that's when you're going to be scared. When you have your people, behind you, you don't have to fear. During my first time, I mean, the federal mind was there. I still declared the incumbent. Now it's the federal mind, but that federal mind, because they don't want to. I don't think the president will want to do something that will mess the administration up, because my election is going to be the election before the presidential election. So I'm sure everything will be free and fair, and that is what we are talking about.